평화로운 어느 시골 마을에 다정해 보이는 두 사람이 여유를 만끽하던 바로 그때 다가오는 차를 본 두 사람은 황급히 들어가 짐을 챙기고
Jane, grab the money in the bedroom.
I can't keep doing this.
What?
I can't keep running away.
When we stop running?
이내 결연한 표정으로 무기를 챙기기 시작하죠.
You lay down suppressive fire from the porch, honey. You can draw their attention. I can flank.
John?
남자가 쓰러짐과 동시에 총알이 빗발칩니다. 사력을 다해 반격해보지만 저격수에게 당하고 말죠. 그로부터 얼마 뒤 한 면접장.
5'11".
I'm 5'4",
African American? Oh yeah, absolutely.
half Japanese, Scottish, white.
면접은 스크린을 통해 진행되고
Basic training? Military combat, like hand-to-hand combat, drones. I wouldn't call it dishonorable, no, but they can call it whatever they need to.
My master's degree, CIA. I got close, but I didn't make the cut.
And 13 on purpose.
They said I had antisocial tendencies. That's a hard one. I love food. And maybe just really good Korean barbecue. Probably that I'm secretive. I believe it was numb and manipulative.
I'm competitive. Too competitive.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm Jane.
I'm John.
면접에 합격한 두 사람은 한 고급 주택에서 모이게 됩니다.
Good luck on your first day of marriage.
Cool. Guns.
두 사람에게 주어진 건 모든 게 호화로운 뉴욕 부촌의 대저택.
State license, banking card, carry permit.
의문의 고용주는 이들이 부부로 위장해 일을 하길 바라는 것 같습니다.
Yeah, I guess we're married now.
Yeah.
그렇게 처음 만난 존과 제인에게 곧바로 첫 번째 미션이 내려집니다.
Follow woman, meet her at restaurant Marseille at 12 p.m., sit near bar, intercept package, hand off it. Coordinates, have fun. Oh, shit. Must have come with the house. He likes you.
미션을 확인한 두 사람은 각자 짐을 풀기 시작했고 운동하고 씻던 존은 문득 방에서 전혀 나오지 않는 제인이 궁금한데
Hey,
You lost your shirt.
you guys move fast.
Yeah.
I was warm downstairs. That's why I had no shirt. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
아직은 너무나도 어색한 두 사람의 관계. 다음날 두 사람은 지시받은 대로 한 여자를 미행하러 가는데
She's short.
You see the package?
Not yet.
She's reaching inside her bag.
It's just a tablet.
Can you read it?
10 places to travel alone.
평범해 보이는 타겟은 좀처럼 움직일 생각이 없어 보였고 두 사람은 슬슬 지루해지죠.
Did you apply for high risk?
I did. Did you?
Yeah. I was expecting something different for the first mission. Like lasers, you know? A little more like
You know, it's always like this at a stakeout at first.
recruit. How they recruit you.
There's an email.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Thought it was weird that they didn't bring up that we'd be paired into the last interview.
I know.
This your first time in New York?
No,
Or what were you doing here? Like
it was for a school trip. I ditched it so I could have pancakes with a pedophile.
what?
Have you ever killed anyone?
No. Not really.
Really?
No. How about you?
Do I look like I have?
A little, yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I
You got
don't.
killer eyes.
She's leaving. Come on.
존과 제인은 갑작스레 자리를 뜬 여자를 다시 미행하기 시작하고
We've got contacts.
여자는 공원에서 누군가를 만납니다.
Is he carrying anything?
I don't see a package. Seems personal.
Yeah, it could be your son.
여전히 타겟은 평범해 보였고 두 사람은 대화를 이어갑니다.
Ex-FBI or CIA?
Something like that.
You get thrown out?
Something like that.
Okay, you gotta give me something.
What do you think happens if we fail?
Our marriage?
Our mission.
그때 타겟이 돈을 건넵니다.
I think that money might be the package. I was wrong.
Whoa.
얼마 뒤 타겟은 또 자리를 옮겨 어디론가 향합니다.
This must be the place.
Yeah.
그녀가 다다른 곳은 한 극장. 제이는 극장 안으로, 존은 밖에서 지원하기로 하죠.
Oh, whoa. I should be clear. I'm not in this for the romance.
An earpiece. Just trying to put it in.
Oh.
You want to do it?
No, do it, please.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd like to get a ticket.
존이 시선을 끄는 사이 제이는 한 노인의 티켓을 훔쳤고
Anything? It's pretty exciting back there for a second. That pancake with a pedophile thing you said back at the cafe, was that
I ditched it so I could have pancakes with a pedophile.
what? Real? And what happened? How'd the date end?
Why did you bother coming?
What?
She's leaving.
She has the package.
Since when?
She picked it up at Coat Check. It's in a brown box.
They told us to intercept the package immediately. Do we just grab it? Or?
I got an idea. Just keep your eye on her.
존은 비슷하게 생긴 갈색 상자를 구하기 위해 돌아다니기 시작합니다.
She's calling someone with it.
Can I have this box?
No.
I'll buy this.
What if she's coordinating the drop?
She just ditched the phone.
She's exiting to Broadway.
Okay, she's leaving.
밖에서 만난 두 사람은 타겟의 상자를 바꿔치기 할 계획을 짜고
She's gonna jump to her left. Hey! My nigga! Talk to my daughter again, I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass. It's your ass.
So sorry. I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
That is what I'm talking about. But
That was good.
felt good.
What do you think's in that?
Military grade weapons or something?
Who do you think they are? The company.
Who cares? We get a plunge pool.
And free theater.
Free theater.
Yeah.
I got a question. Why'd you do this? If it's not for the romance,
Nowhere else would take me.
nobody would take me either. I gave you my mother?
No contact with anyone.
No, I wouldn't have a problem.
You're gonna pay me not to talk to my dad? Where do I sign?
잠시 후 두 사람은 가로챈 물건을 배달할 주소지에 도착합니다.
Hi. We have a package.
There's a package.
Just in the nick of time.
상자 안에 대체 뭐가 들어있는 걸까? 그 안에 든 것은
Well, it is a little damaged. I mean, that doesn't come out of you guys, does it?
No.
Oh, okay.
기대하던 두 사람은 실망한 기색이 역력합니다.
A cake?
We're not supposed to talk about it. They're probably diplomats, and there's an ingredient in the cake that they can't get in the States.
Yeah, but then why do...
케이크가 시원하게 폭발하고 일단 달아나는 두 사람. 뒷골목에 잠시 숨어든 두 사람은
Give me your hand.
Take the window, you take the front door.
그렇게 존이 먼저 집으로 돌아가고 뒤이어 가게를 나온 제이는 옷을 갈아입고 밤늦게 집으로 향합니다.
I came to say goodnight and then I got sucked into the bed.
So you're still not intrigued?
We did the job. We finished the mission.
And if we'd stayed 30 seconds longer?
It's high risk. Mm-hmm. We gotta name that cat. Samuel?
Max.
Max is your cat.
Yeah.
I knew it was Sam. I lied.
Have you ever killed anyone?
No. Not really.
Really?
No. I have killed people. I worked some of the first drones in Afghanistan. I'm gonna go to my room.
Okay. Night, John.
위험한 임무를 함께한 두 사람은 한층 더 가까워지고 서로를 조금은 믿게 됩니다.
Wow, so just a whole new life. I'm okay with that.
다음날 제인이 잠에서 깨어납니다.
Max?
고양이 맥스는 존과 함께 있었죠.
What are you doing?
Just going through your stuff. What were you doing?
I was meditating.
Do you do that every day?
I used to. Before I thought somebody might go through my stuff.
I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get some breakfast.
Okay.
Can I get 2 classic scallion cream cheese?
제인이 외출한 사이 존 역시 제인의 방을 뒤졌고 돌아오는 제인에게 누군가 말을 거는데
Do you have a cat?
No.
Why?
It's been destroying my plants and shitting in my backyard.
I don't have a cat.
돌아서는 제인에게 왜인지 계속해서 말을 거는 이유.
It's a beautiful property.
You know, we feel really lucky.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be nosy. I'm a designer, interiors. I was amazed at how quickly your guys got all that work done. What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer from San Francisco.
Your husband?
We do the same thing. We work together.
Well, you two must really have an understanding. Outside of my dumb dog, I can't imagine spending that much time with anyone. He's John, and you are?
Jane. And your dog?
He's Poet from The Prophet.
집에 돌아온 제인에게 존이 또 말을 건넵니다.
What's up with that guy?
I think he's kind of hot, though. He's definitely watching us. And he has a dog named after the prophet. Just one of my favorite books.
It's one of everyone's favorite books.
Are you jealous?
No, I'm not jealous. It's just, it's weird to have my wife say the neighbor is hot.
But I'm not your wife.
Yeah, true. I know, but, you know, do you think the company wants us to?
To have sex.
Well, yeah, part of it.
I mean, I think it's better if we just keep it. Did you actually want to get married?
Oh, yeah. Being able to come home at the end of a shitty day and kiss someone and make it all go away.
Why'd you go down this path then?
Money.
Me too.
Yeah.
I think let's make a certain amount of money that we both feel good about, and then we can part our ways, live our own lives.
Okay. Sure. No.
Never.
얼마 뒤 다음 미션이 내려옵니다.
Hi. For your next mission, attend silent auction, dress to impress.
Good evening.
Evening. Thank you. What's wrong?
1 to 6 black guys probably all know each other. I won't be able to move around. This is better.
Okay.
그렇게 제인이 경매 참가 손님으로 위장 잠입하는 사이 존은 종업원으로 행사장에 들어갔고
Step 1. Identify high bidder of Warhol silver car crash.
All you gotta do is bid, and I'll keep an eye out for our friend.
So how are we supposed to find the highest bidder at a silent auction?
How about some old-fashioned spying? Mole lady, 7 million on the Warhol.
존은 어깨너머로 핸드폰을 훔쳐보며 입찰가를 확인했고
These are, it's olive oil pudding.
If the spy stuff doesn't work out, you should consider
I
catering.
think we have a winner.
Long shift.
Sorry.
최고 입찰자를 찾아낸 그 다음 단계는
Step 2. Administer single dose of truth serum. Do not exceed single dose.
We gotta get him alone.
Yeah, be alluring, like seduce him or something. I'll look him up.
제인이 타겟에게 접근하는 사이 존은 타겟에 대한 정보를 캐기 시작합니다.
That's Eric Shane. He's a real estate mogul. He owns half of the Upper West Side. Net worth $15 billion. No spouse, no kids, no current address. Last listed residence, 411 West 86th Street.
Did you own that place on West 86th Street?
I missed that place.
That was your neighbor.
Yes, you do seem familiar.
하지만 사람들과 접촉을 꺼리는 듯한 타겟.
We gotta find a way to get him alone.
Now that is better.
What the fuck?
타겟의 취향이 남다른 걸 확인한 제인이 그에게 접근하고
I have a silly idea.
And what is that?
How about you and I go somewhere private and we pay one of the cater waiters to do whatever we want?
And who would that be?
Record any and all information they give you. Please follow a few rules. No casualties. Absolutely no witnesses.
제인의 미끼를 문 타겟은 외딴 방으로 동행하고
What do you want me to do?
Get on your knees. You too. Now,
두 사람을 무릎 꿇린 타겟은 이상한 걸 지시하기 시작합니다.
get on all fours. Stick out your tongues. Intimately engage with each other. Learn each other. Now kiss.
그리곤 자신도 다가와 강아지 놀이에 합류하는데
What? Why the fuck did you do that?
What?
You told me to do it.
No, what's that?
약을 2배로 투약해서인지 상태가 좀 이상합니다.
I think I'm hard.
We're gonna help you up. You need to sit up.
Get the guy!
갑자기 자리를 박차고 나간 타겟은 다시 경매장으로 돌아갔고
I'm Eric Shane.
I spent a lot of money tonight.
Mr. Shane, we have your painting for you.
Legitimate money I have. Billions of illegal dollars. I don't feel bad about it at all.
그러더니 여기 온 다른 부자들의 치부를 폭로하기 시작합니다.
No, Philip uses the other island, not for embezzlement.
Oh, no.
Trade.
Mr. Shane?
Oh, Bo finds me funny. Always count on him to leave photos of his dick taped under the newest intern's desk.
타겟은 돌연 의식을 잃어가기 시작하고
It's okay. I got him.
자신들의 차에 타겟을 싣는 데 성공하고
Yeah, we can't take him to the hospital. Eric, you gotta talk to me, okay?
This is why we should have made a plan and stuck to it.
The plan was to follow your lead, and that got us here.
일단 집에 데려오긴 했지만 상태는 점점 악화되고 해독제를 찾아보지만 당연히 있을 리가 없었죠.
You're just lonely. I was with this woman I didn't like very much. Last I heard, she died. Well, before that, she had my baby. I have a daughter somewhere.
Eric, stay with us. Eric?
Eric.
그렇게 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
Composter.
Yeah.
Cause
Yeah.
yeah. How's he gonna fit?
시신을 기계에 넣기 위해선 부피를 줄여야 합니다.
You break the legs and I'll break the arms. On 3. 3.
Oh!
1, 2, 3.
첫 실패를 마주한 두 사람은 침울해집니다.
Is this a knockoff Tom and Jerry?
This kind of thing kind of relaxes me.
I don't really like violent cartoons.
Really? That's surprising.
Why is that surprising?
Thought you might be into that kind of thing.
You asshole.
You snooped on my
You
computer.
asshole.
You were spying on me.
You
Oh, yes,
trapped
I
me.
did.
I'm not the weird one.
Okay.
하지만 실패를 함께한 두 사람은 더 가까워지죠.
Do you want to kiss me?
Yeah, I'll kiss you.
Hi.
얼마 뒤 이탈리아로 출장을 오게 된 두 사람.
Check into the Fennis Hotel, room 602. Observe and report on your neighbors, Gaval and Parker Martin. Buck both their phones. Record an important call at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Do not fail. Thanks.
옆방에 머무는 부부인 가볼과 파커를 감시하는 게 이번 임무. 가볼과 파커는 그리 사이가 좋아 보이지 않았습니다.
You know we've never slept in the same bed.
I mean, you're the one that goes downstairs every time after we have sex.
Can we talk?
Right now?
A naked moment. Sleeping in the same bed together.
Possibility of you snoring. It's gonna keep me up.
Why do you think we need to bug both of their phones?
Okay, I did some research on this guy. He's a surfer. I mean, he was, but that's it.
How about tomorrow? I'm all yours. Okay, I won't work the whole day, but just in order to do that, I need to be able to sleep.
Can you promise me something?
Yeah. What?
I will never be like that, even if it all goes to shit.
Deal.
다음 날 아침, 파커 부부는 평범하게 아침 식사를 하고 있었고
Our best bet to bug them is if they split up.
Are we gonna find each other?
존과 제이는 각자 위치 확인을 위해 휴대폰 위치 공유를 시작하고
Ma'am, is this yours?
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
No problem.
존이 옆자리에 노부부와 잡담을 하는 사이 타겟 부부가 자리를 뜨기 시작하는데
But we actually have to go right now.
What?
I hate vacation friends.
타겟을 따라 산을 오르는데 자꾸 핸드폰만 보는 존이 신경 쓰입니다.
Who is that?
Hello? You called me 3 times in a row. I thought something was wrong. Bye. Bye, I love you.
How often do you contact her?
과거를 전부 잊겠다는 규칙을 어기는 존이 제이는 못마땅했고
Are you fucking serious?
Look, I can't abandon my mom.
I would never compromise us or this in that way.
I'm sorry I didn't talk to you about it, but I'm sure you talked to your dad.
I don't talk to my dad.
Not at all?
No.
When you took this job, you just disappeared on him?
You don't know anything about my dad.
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry.
논쟁은 잠시 접어두고 일단 추격에 집중하기로 하던 중
We only have a couple of hours to bug those phones.
아침에 노부부를 다시 만났는데
We actually have to go, so...
Yeah, we have to.
Listen, guys, before you go,
말 많은 노부부 탓에 타겟과 점점 멀어지고
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I have a gun and I will shoot you. We just lost our target.
미션을 앞에 두고 잡담이 나는 존이 꼴보기 싫은 제인. 하지만 다행히 타겟을 카페에서 다시 찾긴 합니다.
you said last night that you weren't going to work the whole day.
I said I wasn't going to work the whole day. I have to work some of the day.
I wish I had a recording.
right now so I could play back how wrong you are.
We do have a recording. Should we give it to him?
싸우는 타겟 부부처럼 존과 제인 역시 아까 일로 다투기 시작하고
Do you even want to be in this marriage anymore?
Why would you say that to me right now?
Because I'm not sure I do.
I'm going to my meeting.
All right. They're finally splitting up. You gotta follow her. Have something cool.
존은 가보를 따라 케이블카에 탑승하고 제인과의 위치 공유도 꺼버립니다. 잠시 후 가볼이 향한 곳은 회의가 아닌 사우나.
Don't judge me. It's supposed to be a place to relax. Things are broken anyway. Moisture.
그 사이 제인도 남편 파커에게 접근합니다.
Hi. I think we're neighbors.
Ah, the honeymooners.
Are you gonna go out again?
Oh, probably not. My wife's not feeling well.
What about you?
I've been better.
Is that your son?
Yeah. Probably not good he spends so much time on that thing.
한편 사우나에서 나와 술 한잔 하고 있는 존과 가볼.
Can I have a bowl of uncooked rice?
Okay. Yes.
직원에게 쌀을 받아낸 존은
It's for your phone. Yeah, should help with the moisture.
You know, I married Gaval after just 3 months. God, she was the most alive person I think I'd ever met.
Why are you flirting with me?
If you have to ask that, I'm not doing a good job, am I?
This would actually be a really good time for an affair. Also, I think I'm about to get divorced. I don't think I could lie that big. I lie about little things. Telling my husband I have a meeting when I don't have a meeting.
I was a pro surfer, and I would nail these impossible waves, and there she would be, with sand in her hair, just beaming at me. I keep trying to have that feeling again,
Sometimes I just need to get away from him.
I understand that.
but I'm just not sure it can come back.
Check your phone, make sure it's
존은 휴대폰을 확인한다며 가불의 폰을 해킹하고
You're a miracle worker. It's.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna go to the.
You sure?
Yeah, just excuse me.
What's him I'm worried about?
Give me your phone.
What?
Give me your phone. I'm gonna help you connect with Graham. What game are you playing?
Skate City.
Skates.
제인 또한 게임을 설치해주며 해킹에 성공합니다.
What's up? It's me. Leave a message.
Hey, I bugged his phone. It's 4:58. Where are you?
제인의 전화는 무시하고 가볼을 도청하는 존. 그런데 이상한 소리가 들려옵니다. 납치 당하는 듯한 소리에 존은 가볼의 위치를 쫓아가고
What's up? It's me. Leave a message.
He's such a fucking dick.
Hey, did you bug Gaval's phone? Where the fuck are you?
They're kidnapping Gaval.
What?
They're kidnapping Gaval right now.
Where are you? I can't see your location.
I turned it off.
You're so immature.
Like what?
We can talk about this later.
그때 이번엔 파커의 핸드폰 내용이 들려옵니다.
Yeah, who was that? We have your wife, Gabor.
Who is this?
Get your hands off me!
Did you hear that? As soon as we hung up, you have 1 hour to simple yes or no.
아들을 보며 한참을 고민하던 파커는
No deal.
Say goodbye to your husband.
He's saying no! So we recorded it, we completed the mission. You should come back now. It worked for
Yeah, but we did.
John, listen to me.
제인의 만류에도 존은 가볼을 구하러 향합니다.
You're so annoying.
가볼을 지키던 납치범들을 처리한 존은 결국 가볼을 구해내지만 금세 다른 납치범들이 따라붙었고 존은 이미 수세에 몰리고 말았습니다.
He said no. I'm drawing you back. This is gonna help.
You said fucking no!
다행히 존은 모든 납치범들을 처리했습니다.
I told you to come back.
I can't feel my penis.
We said that if we were ever in a situation...
Yeah, I know what we said, but your first instinct was what, just to kill me?
Anything?
You put your mouth on it.
Fucking
I'm still hurt. I'm still hurt.
It was. And now I'm so fucking glad you're not dead.
You really care about me.
I really, really care about you.
You had to agree to my death to realize you still love me.
I care about you too.
I really, really care about you.
Well, that makes it sound weird, but yeah.
그렇게 두 부부가 화해하며 무사히 임무가 끝납니다. 며칠 뒤 오랜만에 휴일을 즐기는 존과 제인. 제인이 장을 보는 동안 존은 음료를 주문하고 기다리고 있는데
John? John Smith?
Yeah, but this isn't what I ordered.
What did you order?
I ordered a regular old orange juice. That's it.
I'm John. You order an OJ? I saw some guy walk up and claim it.
마침 이름과 성까지 같은 두 사람.
I'll get yours and another one of these.
그 카드를 본 존은 웨인즈의 또 다른 존과 이야기를 이어가고
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
And this must be your Jane. I'm John.
His last name's Smith.
맞습니다. 이들처럼 똑같이 고용된 사람이었죠.
Have you met other Smiths before?
But this is the first time it happened by accident. Oh, duty calls.
He has so much intel because they've been doing it for like 15 years.
This is what we should do. Dinner.
또 다른 존은 오늘 밤 모두 함께 저녁을 먹자 제안했고 그날 저녁 와인 선물과 함께 부부가 도착합니다.
That one's from the boss.
Enjoy.
One word.
One word. No cryptic message.
What, you guys get messages?
We had one fail, and now everything's a mess.
Well-
There was something we were supposed to do that just ended up happening. It wasn't our fault.
Yeah, that's never happened to us.
제인이 선배 제인에게 집을 소개해 줍니다.
Is this a bit panic room? This is a weird spot for the room. I know. Do you ever think about who they are, the company? A lot, especially in the beginning. But can I give you a little bit of advice about that? Yeah. Jane to Jane? Don't get in the way of your own happiness. Jane, love, time to eat. Oh.
그날 저녁 식사는 모든 게 딱 좋았습니다.
Listen, guys, things take a while to gel, right? Like, especially in the beginning.
How long have you guys?
Like 5 or 6 years?
Wait, so you guys didn't start together?
Oh,
I
wow.
had to find a new Jane. Finding your directors from Soup.
Just tough.
I think it took a while for us to understand the parameters.
What level are you two?
We're high risk.
Yeah.
How about you?
Super high risk.
Super high risk.
I'll trade it all in and go low risk.
For the benefits, do you think you could go low risk?
No.
Maybe.
I don't think I'd do it. I'd get bored.
So would you ever went up your level? Super high risk is hardly any different. Except the money and the perks are way better. How's the intimacy between the two of you?
We had rules at first to not sleep with each other.
How?
We ripped
Yes.
each other's clothes off.
I sound like such a rule maker, but like we made this pact at first
a lot
that
of
we
pacts.
would make a certain amount of money, and then once we made that, we'd part ways.
Yeah.
그 말을 듣자 자지러지게 웃기 시작하는 부부.
You know, break up and quit like. Oh my God. Okay, guys.
No.
No, it's fine.
술이 더 들어가자 많은 이야기를 풀어놓기 시작합니다.
What's the craziest mission you guys have ever been on?
Bali.
Bali.
What was it?
We had to get someone out of prison. No comms, no weapons, no cover.
What did you guys do?
It's your breath. There is a secret. If you can control your breath, you can control anything.
Also, it's good to have a plan, but be prepared to abandon it. Go with your gut.
Yeah.
Listen.
Listen,
You guys ever feel weird emotionally after a mission?
we had to kill some mother's mates once.
How come?
Maybe they're getting divorced.
We gotta go.
Fuck, yeah, really.
What?
What?
Yeah, we're on the clock.
You know what? You two should come.
Yes.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
많지 않은 스미스 부부들이 미션에 돌입합니다.
Put these on under your clothes. They're trackers.
What's the assignment?
It's a super high risk delivery.
Super high risk.
무거운 배낭까지 짊어진 이들은 헬기 탑승장에 도착하고
Dawn at the latest.
Are you guys not coming with us?
No. I'm not gonna do it.
But I didn't believe it. That's what we thought.
저항할 틈도 없이 헬기가 출발합니다.
Jungle's a hot zone, so I'm gonna drop you off and circle back. Fuel's tight, so be back for extraction in 30 minutes.
그렇게 정글에 도착한 부부는 GPS에 표시된 장소에 도착하고 말도 안 통하는 이들에게 끌려가게 되죠.
Whatever happens, I love you.
다시 헬기에 오르자 영상통화가 걸려옵니다.
Yeah, their boss was not too happy to see us. I think they were expecting to see you.
How did you get out alive?
We had to use a machete. It was pretty horrible.
What's he say?
They killed the captain.
Well, it's all right for us, right?
Yeah.
No, we should just be doing our own thing from now on. Just the two of us.
Yeah. Okay, guys, okay.
Bye.
Earlier you said you loved me right before the machete.
Yeah, you did too.
I really didn't like
those two.
I hate those two people.
And why were we so into them?
I really don't know.
전날 만난 스미스 부부를 뒷담화하며 오늘 하루도 저물어 갑니다. 얼마 뒤 이탈리아.
Secure high-value target Toby Hellinger. Gonna hurt you.
Fucking going on? Shut up.
존과 제인은 토비란 남자를 납치합니다.
Transport to designated safe house.
It's really beautiful. We should get a place here.
You always say that.
Where are we going?
We're going someplace safe, Toby.
Can someone please take this hood off, please? God damn. Take off the motherfucking hood! Oh my god. I think I'm having another one.
We need to keep him alive.
결국 두 사람은 토비의 복면을 벗겨줬고 곧이어 회사에서 지정해준 안전 가옥에 도착하는데
That's where we're staying. How long are we here for?
Stop asking questions.
Toby, what?
Toby, stay low. Get us out of here.
도망가기 시작하지만 곧 놈들이 따라붙습니다.
Toby, who were those guys?
What'd you say?
We gotta get off this mountain. Hey, you think you can make some space for us?
On it.
Be careful.
Hold on.
Go.
Doesn't let him.
Shit. Go.
Out now.
포위된 존과 제인은 토비를 데리고 달아나기 시작합니다.
In there.
I have to take a leak. Not right now.
You're doing great, buddy. We're almost there.
Hey, stop.
No. Same. CIA.
추격을 피해 어느 집 안으로 들어간 이들은 창밖에 보트 한 척을 발견하고
We're gonna have to jump.
I can't make that.
Teresa. All right.
Fuck it, I'm not doing this.
See, you jumped.
보트를 얻어 타 호수 건너 반대편에 도착하니
What is this place?
존은 호숫가 한 멋진 집에 아무렇지 않게 들어가는데
How do you know the code?
This is our house.
You mean you bought it?
I bought it.
You purchased this property sight unseen.
You really gotta be careful when you're buying property in a foreign country.
Thanks, Toby.
Wanting to affect big deal that you would
It's
make.
not a big-
Don't touch that!
It's dynamite, dummy.
그렇게 잠시 소강 상태. 제인은 회사에게 현재 상황을 알리고 회사의 명령대로 토비를 열심히 보살피기 시작합니다.
My stomach's killing me.
Just stay here. I'm gonna get you some medicine.
그런데 변덕이 심한 토비는 약 먹기를 거부하고
Please. This is good for you.
Take the medicine. I'll give you a cigarette.
그 말을 듣자 냉큼 약을 받아먹죠.
I'll give it to you after dinner. What? After we eat.
얼마 뒤 저녁을 함께 먹고 밤이 찾아옵니다.
See anybody?
Still no one, Toby.
Jesus Christ. Give me my cigarettes you promised me.
We don't have any.
What?
So you take the medicine and stop whining.
Calm
Sit
down.
down.
Stop. Hey, John. This is serious. Stop.
I'm going to bed. This place sucks.
회사의 명령에 충실하고 싶은 제이는 존의 이런 모습이 짜증납니다. 그때 회사로부터 다시 연락이 오고 그러더니 갑자기 제인을 떠보는 듯한 회사. 밤이 깊어가고 토비가 잠들자 둘만의 시간이 찾아옵니다.
What?
I don't know why.
존은 숨겨둔 담배를 제인에게 건네죠.
You think we ruined that couple's wedding?
I think we may have ruined their life. Okay.
You think you ever do that?
Vows make me uncomfortable. I think I would like if it were private, if it were just.
What would our vows be?
I could vow to not judge you for how often you talk to your mother.
I vow never to kill you.
I like that.
Come here.
벼랑간 갑자기 달아올랐습니다.
I want to put a baby in you.
Oh my God!
I think I threw up.
그렇게 다음날 아침이 밝아옵니다.
We need to go now. Now.
세 사람은 조용히 도망치기 시작하고
Come on. How'd you do it?
Dynamite stick. Popped it in the stove.
약속된 호수 한가운데 도착합니다.
That for me?
그렇게 토비는 비행기를 타고 어디론가 떠나가죠.
You want some wine?
No, I'm not really feeling good.
Are you pregnant?
No,
You
I'm not.
sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not pregnant?
Why are you asking if I'm pregnant?
존은 제인과 아이를 만들고 가정을 꾸리고 싶습니다.
You don't think it would be a good idea, or
We're not in a place to have kids.
we'll do low risk. We'll deliver packages, and we'll stack our money doing this, and then
Seriously? You seriously want to be a mailman and have kids? And that's, I don't think I would be happy with that. I thought we could have higher risk.
What about family? What
No, I didn't think you were that. I didn't think you were that simple-minded, like that traditional.
그때 누군가 문을 두드리고 택배 하나가 도착합니다. 회사에서 보낸 임무 성공 축하 와인이었죠.
Well done, Jane.
It's probably just a typo.
You really think I'm stupid? Like, how did you log the mission?
Typed exactly what happened.
화가 난 존은 자리를 떠버리고 얼마 뒤 존과 제이는 부부 상담을 받고 있습니다.
What brings you to therapy?
Lately, me and Jane have not been aligned on.
I think John's under the impression that our boss favors me.
I mean, he does favor. I mean, well, he wanted you to replace me.
Said absolutely not.
Where else are you feeling misaligned?
Kid stuff. I want to have them, and she doesn't.
What are your reservations about children, Jane?
I just feel like in the line of work that we do, it doesn't really feel responsible.
And what is it that you two do?
We're computer software engineers.
The idea software engineering was so intense. Working together, living together. How is that?
It's tricky.
Can I ask how it's tricky?
It's one of those things where I feel like her default is to be controlling.
Can you give me an example?
You know, like the thing we did the weekend.
지난주 임무 중이던 존과 제인.
The dude in the yellow. I want to take the lead on this one. It's a half-hour job tops.
We're trying to close a deal with them. Yeah, court.
Yeah.
And did you sign them?
위장의 흑인 갱단에 잠입한 존은 이들과 포커를 하며 유대감을 쌓았고
He was taking forever.
No, you just don't like that I was doing it well without you. So I had access in a way that she will never have, and it bothered me.
You must be married.
Yep. Asian, actually.
Oh, you a lucky man, because I love me some Asians. Yeah. They low-key conservative.
You were being racist. He was saying racist things about me.
I wasn't.
I think it's something that he does when he's around men. If it's something to do with
Wow.
when you grew up.
Okay,
how your mom-
listen, we have a therapist. We have a therapist here. Let her do her job, okay? You don't.
Is that you are crossing a boundary?
Thank you.
I think bonding over racism within that community at your wife's expense is hardly the way to go about that.
The problem wasn't about that, okay? It wasn't about what I said. It was about what she did.
그렇게 갱단의 흑인들과 친분을 쌓아가던 그때
Oh, so Jane closed it.
Very, very aggressively.
I am so sorry.
상담사가 자리를 비우자마자 터뜨리듯 싸움을 시작하고
Just tell her you were jealous and that you almost got me killed.
Are you dead right now?
Am I dead right now?
So sorry about. Other than controlling to explain why Jane might have intervened?
Anxious.
And do you want Jane to feel that anxious?
No.
Nice work, John.
Like, how do I do that without making sacrifices to the parts of, without sacrificing parts of myself that make me me?
When I was spending some time in the jungles of Costa Rica, a rare mantled howler, the Alawata palliata, stared at me. And at first, I held his stare until I realized if I didn't heed his warning, he was ready to take a chunk out of my face. So I averted my gaze. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We are out of time.
What do you think she meant by
the monkey story?
I don't know. Was the monkey me?
Or was the monkey
that like
me,
a
I
racist,
thought?
like, don't make eye contact with me?
며칠 뒤 다시 상담 시간.
How do things feel since our last session?
It wasn't great.
Been able to let you take the lead at all since we saw each other last?
I tried. It's not my fault you have asthma.
How so? Elaborate on that.
I'm saving the computer from crashing.
You always have to be first.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're the one who did the thing after. That's the thing that actually fucked me up.
We're heading out to the roof. Die, motherfucker!
What are you saying?
You laughed at me. In my face.
Is this the traditional dynamic between the two of you? Jane taking the lead in a leadership role, always?
It wasn't like that at the beginning. In the beginning, I had more coding experience than her, and there was a lot. And if I'm being honest, I felt more comfortable in that role because it felt like she was looking up to me, and I missed that.
I do still look up to you, John.
Do you feel that? That's the power of the work that we're doing here together. I think what I would like for you to try to do is to try saying time out when things start heating up. It might sound silly, but my husband and I do it. Okay, so next time?
다음 상담일엔 더 멀어져 돌아옵니다.
What happened this week?
We went on a work retreat, camping. Why wouldn't they include coordinates to find this guy?
They probably don't know where he is.
So what were you actually doing on this retreat?
We were hunting.
하지만 존과 제이는 길을 잃고 맙니다.
We're not gonna fail the mission. I know you're worried about it, but we're just not.
Where did things go wrong? Machismo.
We haven't seen a trace of the target. I mean, you're acting like this is Disneyland, like you're camping. It's...
Okay, fuck it.
What are you doing? Stop! The hunter is gonna hear you. Are you crazy?
We can't find him, so he'll come to us.
결국 목표물을 찾지 못한 그날 밤.
Whenever you think of something sad, try and think about the joy that's in it, Like right now, we're underneath the stars. Most people don't get to see this anymore.
It's like the prophet. Joy and the sorrow.
This is all because of a book.
Okay. Do you actually like The Prophet?
What?
The book, The Prophet. Have you even read it?
No.
You told me it was your favorite book. You said he has a dog named after the Prophet. Just one of my favorite books.
It's one of everyone's favorite books. Yeah, then that's probably why. I don't like that guy. I don't like how he flirts with you. I don't understand.
So you lied.
Yeah.
I actually have never seen you read a book in the entire time I've known you, so.
I've been trying to share things with you.
Condescending and controlling, so.
Jane, you don't even let me eat you out without telling me how to do it.
And listen, maybe I wouldn't have to fucking
This
say
is
how to lick
classic
my
Jane.
pussy.
Fuck you.
Is that how your mom taught you how to talk to women?
Oh,
You need
like
boundaries,
the
but-
boundaries thing? What did you do for your dad when your mom died, other than not talk to him ever again? Every time we have a disagreement, because you don't understand feeling, and all you do is make other people feel bad for feeling shit. So don't come here and talk that shit to me.
We already failed this fucking mission anyway. That's what happened.
Our boss was unhappy, to say the least.
Are you ever able to take time off from work?
It doesn't really work that way.
Yeah. I know that a lot of this is really tough, but you guys have to remember that no one is forcing you to stay together. You can leave this relationship at any time. You are choosing to stay in it. It's a choice. Right now, you are choosing to be better. Otherwise, you wouldn't be showing up here every week saying all of the hard things. Yeah?
Our boss, if we can get separate.
Great. So I will see you next week.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, and before I forget, I want to give you this. Those are the recordings. Record all of the sessions, and then that way, at the end of every month, you can watch it back. We can unpack anything we might have missed, listen for tone.
Think we should try again with someone else?
No, it's not for us.
I'm just trying to say that it's good for us.
that we would be able to do.
Time out!
Yes, my house is completely on fire. My face in a clear glass window.
얼마 뒤 제인이 누군가를 찾아갑니다.
Place is beautiful.
다짜고짜 총을 장전하고는
I'm gonna ask you some questions and I want you to answer them honestly. How long have you been seeing my husband?
A month ago.
What made you want to take him home?
And he was funny.
What did you guys do?
We watched a movie. Look, there are tissues.
That's what you guys do together. You watch movies.
Talk. We just hang out.
Do you guys have sex?
No.
Do you know what John does for work?
He's a spy.
And you knew about me?
Yes.
What has he told you about me?
That you're smart, really smart, and pretty. That you weren't really his type at first.
How so?
You can be kind, but you're not friendly. Sometimes you're nicer to your cat than you are to people.
What else?
It's too much. Working and living together, that your lives became very enmeshed very quickly because he misses doing it alone. He says that you're controlling.
Controlling how?
You make him feel like a little boy. You don't let him discover what you like on his own. I think that John would love the chance to figure things out, that's all.
So he's unhappy.
That he wonders whether or not you guys are compatible. But he also says he wants to be with you incompatibly.
So
Just to be clear, we're not bonding. That's John.
If you tell him I'm here, I'll fucking kill you.
제인은 숨고 존은 아무것도 모르는 채 집으로 들어옵니다. 익숙한 듯 냉장고에서 아이스크림을 꺼내든 존은
I am coming here.
여자와 함께 자리에 앉아 영화를 보기 시작하는데
I'm going to tell you a joke.
Okay.
Where were pencils invented? Pennsylvania.
Ah.
Definitely worth it.
그러더니 갑자기 보던 영화를 멈춥니다.
Where's my wife?
What? Shit.
That was fun.
Oh, Jane! Jane! Fuck! Don't move, don't move, don't move.
줄을 간신히 풀어냅니다.
She's headed for Grand Army.
How do you know that?
Because I'm tracking her.
Where'd you put it? The tracker.
I intended to give her a massage.
급히 추적기를 확인해보려 하지만 하필 배터리가 나가버리고
You had a month to kill her.
How did you know that?
I figured out your passwords.
따로 활동하기로 한 존의 임무를 알아내 여기까지 따라온 제인. 일단 급하게 휴대폰을 충전하러 근처 가게로 갑니다.
We use your plug to charge my phone.
Can't let strangers plug in their phone.
그 말을 듣자 과자를 가져와 뜯어버리는 제인.
You need to eat right now?
Oh, I guess I have to charge the phone and pay you.
충전에 성공합니다.
We didn't have sex.
Yeah, but you kissed her. And you didn't have
We tried to have sex twice and I couldn't get it up.
About what? Why?
About you. I was thinking.
You know, I've been doing this mission this long mostly because of you, right?
You're always asking, oh, who are we? What are we doing? What's Mr. and Mrs. Smith?
Oh, yeah.
And she actually knows. She works for a rival company.
What did you learn? What did you learn?
I didn't learn
a
anything
bunch?
because you came through that fucking door.
Oh my god. Is the phone on?
You're all set.
그렇게 다시 추적기를 확인한 두 사람은 추적기가 가리키는 한 건물로 들어가는데
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah, did a woman come in here? I'm looking for my friend.
Is there a way to get upstairs?
No, not from inside here.
저 건물에 있는 게 확실합니다.
Oh, we're gonna have to wait till she comes out.
I want to know what happened after you guys tried to have sex.
It's not like I was going over there banging your brains out. I got involved because that's how I do it.
You know, well, it's better than doing my job with you and you making me feel like shit all the time.
Fuck!
What?
She's moving.
타겟이 빠르게 이동하자 급히 택시를 잡아타고 그렇게 도착한 곳은
Wait, this is where we had our first mission with the sandwich lady.
Why would she be here of all places?
I told her about this place. Tracker.
I don't feel well.
I'll make you some soup when I get home.
The neighbor already made me some.
얼마 뒤 두 사람이 집에 도착합니다. 존은 아픈 제인을 위해 어머니와 통화하며 수프를 끓이죠.
You know, I don't think you've ever made me soup.
Here you go.
Say we failed.
We didn't fail. I failed. It's my mission.
You didn't complete the mission, they told me.
I told you that.
Yeah, I didn't break into your computer. They obviously wanted me to intervene.
No, I told me you were at Bev's. That's how I knew you were there. Fuck it.
That's that.
I'm done, Jane. I'll leave in the morning.
그렇게 존은 떠나고 제인만 홀로 남았습니다.
Trying to kill me until it's time.
충격적인 미션을 받은 제인은 이걸 말할지 말지부터가 고민이었고 일단은 아침거리를 사러 나가기로 하죠.
Forgot to feed you. Oh, it's gonna smell.
맥스가 숨을 거두고 맙니다. 한편 어머니 집으로 돌아가 있었던 존은
Front door open.
Did you leave the seat up?
I don't even use that bathroom.
How about you go to the salon and get your nail fixed?
어머니를 돌려보낸 존은 집을 확인하기 시작합니다. 부비 트랩이 설치되어 있었고 존은 곧바로 제인에게 향하는데
You're the coolest man I've ever met.
Whatever you're feeling right now, I am 10 times angrier.
I don't want to do this here. Let's go outside.
그렇게 나오는 길 격동적인 부부싸움이 시작됩니다.
She's my wife.
달아나는 군중들 사이에 섞여 두 사람이 현장을 빠져나오고 집에 돌아오니 누군가의 인기척이 느껴지는데
What are you reaching for?
Who are you?
Michael's mother.
그제 알게 된 존의 본명, 그의 어머니였죠.
I'm sorry, but did Michael tell you to come over here?
No. He gave me the emergency key.
그 사이 존은 옆집 남자와 마주합니다.
So I can't get in. Can I cut through yours and just go over to...
Sure. This is a beautiful place, yeah.
Not as nice as yours, though.
You been in my house?
I lent Jane a book.
Man, could I get some water?
옆집 남자가 물을 가지러 간 사이 집안을 뒤지기 시작합니다.
But, you know, we're in the process of splitting up.
Michael just needs to know that you love him.
What has Michael said about me?
He said nothing but great things about you.
You know, there's more at stake here.
You pregnant?
No.
Well, the stakes aren't that high then.
그렇게 존의 어머니는 떠났고 한편 존은 옆집 남자의 집에서 그들 집의 설계도와 두 사람의 사진을 발견하는데
You weren't supposed to see this.
Tell me who you work for.
For Sotheby's.
Is it a CIA?
Sotheby's is a real estate agency. I'm a real estate analyst. They want your house bad. No one understands how you were permitted to build it. There are no records for the permits being filed. All this on the salary of 2 software engineers. It doesn't make sense. Please don't kill me.
You weren't flirting with Jane because you like her. It was about our house.
남자의 말을 믿은 존은 남자를 풀어줬고
So are you and Jane going through something?
Yeah, you could say that.
Well, my divorce made me a little crazy.
It's a little more than that.
If I may give some advice, marriage is a house you build, and sometimes your tastes change. I don't want to be with my ex, but I also don't think it's better alone.
I don't like to read. She likes to read.
You don't have to like it. Just start reading, man. I can lend you a copy.
Thanks for the drink.
존이 벽을 넘어 집으로 돌아가고 자신의 소리를 감추기 위해 음악을 켜는데
You alive, babe?
Yeah.
Jane, I need you to breathe. Jane!
Down. Talk to you.
Don't do it.
간신히 제인을 제압한 존은 그녀를 결박하고
No. Don't do it!
제인에게 자백제를 투여한 존은 자신에게도 자백제를 투여하고는 제인의 결박을 풀어주죠.
You've never been honest. Ever.
Why don't you just be competent?
Did you even love me?
자백제는 점점 존과 제인을 무력화시킵니다.
I failed my psych exam for the CIA because I have sociopathic tendencies.
I get kicked out from the Marines early.
Is it because you killed someone you weren't supposed to?
Asthma.
Oh, that's not your fault, John. Do you think I'm a sociopath?
In America. And a woman, I think you would.
When you call me Japanese, it makes me feel closer to my dad. I don't like my dad. Oh, you know what that does to a woman? I like when you feel jealous when I talk to hot neighbor.
You like my jealousy?
Yeah. It hurt me when you wanted to sleep with Bev.
It was fake.
Yeah, but the sadness.
What makes you the most sad?
My mom's body when she died. We couldn't have an open casket. What makes you the most sad?
I can't pay my dad back.
How would you pay them back?
Give them kids.
Would you have children with me, even if I'm a sociopath?
Then I'd do it in a heartbeat.
You're making my heart jump.
하지만 남아있는 문제.
Why did you kill Max?
I didn't kill Max. You tried to kill me. Tried to kill me and my mom.
That wasn't me.
What's that? Hello?
Hello?
이전에 만났던 스미스 부부였습니다.
I know what you're thinking. Put your hands in the air.
Guys, how about the sit down?
And
We've
fair.
finalized a lot of Smiths, but never into serum.
What does finalize mean? That's when you take out other Smiths. They call it finalizing.
What else could extremely high risk be?
The guy in El Salvador, what?
The Smith. It's a bummer. And we really liked you guys.
We do.
You know, everyone wants to try to make a break for it, and it's silly.
Yeah, the more you submit to soup,
Why do you guys talk about him like he's a god?
because he is. How do you think I knew where to find you? Farmer's Market, juice stand, 11:52 a.m.
He knows what you're gonna do before you do it. He knew where you were going before you knew where you were going.
What he tells you to do, and you are rewarded with a gift. Amen. Achoo! Achoo! Oh, holy shit! I'm blind!
John, quiet! I need to hear where they are!
My eye!
Jane?
존과 제인은 엘리베이터로 위층으로 향하고 일단 패닝룸에 들어가 문을 잠급니다.
John.
존은 총에 맞아 위급한 상태. 선배 제인은 이들을 찾아 패닝룸으로 향하고 있습니다.
How many bullets do you have?
One. What's your plan?
It's gonna be dark and cover mess. She'll either have to turn on the lights or she'll be sitting in the dark. Both of those are to our advantage.
그렇게 어두워지길 기다리는 두 사람. 하지만 제인은 존이 오래 버틸 수 없다는 걸 압니다.
We can have one kid.
5.
2. And that's it. I'm not negotiating.
We have to find a place for my mom.
Yeah.
What's your real name?
Alana.
I like Jane.
I like John. I'm gonna shoot her. Stay with me, and I'll shoot her and we'll get out. Is that a good plan? Yeah. Count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3!
Hello? I brought you a book.
개판이 된 집은 비어 있었죠.
Seth, hey, I think they might be ready to sell.
미스터 앤 미세스 스미스가 끝납니다. 첩보라는 장르 안에서 사랑은 얼마나 진짜일 수 있을까요? 같은 이름 하지만 전혀 다른 감정선을 가진 작품, 아마존 프라임의 리메이크 시리즈 미스터 앤 미세스 스미스였습니다. 이 시리즈엔 총과 액션보단 관계와 정체성에 그 중심이 있는데요. 서로를 전혀 모른 채 결혼하게 된 두 요원의 관계는 계약과 의무, 감정과 혼란 사이를 오가며 한 발짝씩 깊어지고 임무 수행보다 더 치열한 함께 살아가는 법에 집중하게 됩니다. 위험한 작전보다 더 예측 불가능한 건 상대의 마음이란 걸 알게 되는 거죠. 원작 영화가 빠른 템포의 액션 쾌감을 줬다면 이 시리즈는 조금은 느리지만 더 단단한 내면의 파장을 남깁니다. 물론 이 호흡이 호불호를 나눌 수도 있겠지만 스릴러와 로맨스의 경계선에서 두 인물이 만들어가는 감정의 밀도는 한 회 한 회 쌓일수록 진해지고 이야기가 끝날 무렵 우린 누구보다 진짜에 가까운 두 사람을 만나게 되죠. 미스터 앤 미세스 스미스는 아마존 프라임에서 시청할 수 있습니다. 감사합니다.